How to claim player on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to claim players on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Claiming players on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app. Launch the ESPN Fantasy Sports app on your mobile device. Log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your ESPN account. Select your league. Navigate to a league for claiming the player. Go to the players section. Tap on the player tab or free agency section. Search for the player. Use the search function to find the player you want to add to your team, or you can just browse here. Claim the player. Tap on the player you want. In the player details profile, you can see claim option. Tap on the claim option. Remember, if your roster is full, then you have to remove a player from roster. And here you go, that's how you can claim players on ESPN Fantasy Sports app. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.